Okay, so this is just going to be a quick guide on how easy it is to service our variable speed units from 11 kilowatt all the way up to 90 kilowatt actually. They just get bigger. This one is the 15 kilowatt floor mounted. We do 11 kilowatt up to 15 kilowatt receiver mounted as well. But basically the servicing is identical on all the models on this range. Okay. So what I will do now is remove the front panel. The other panels I've already removed, so you can have a quick look, see what it actually needs doing. Okay, so you can see straight away that taking the front panel off exposes all the control equipment. You need to isolate, obviously, power before you start working on any compressor. And also it will expose the oil level. So here's your oil level here. Okay, it will drop when it's running, but when it's on standby or you've turned it off, it will come to second oil level. Now, it will require servicing on its first 500 hours. This is an easy job. So what we're going to do is drop the oil out of here, fill it up here, and put it up to the mark. And then at the same time, I'm taking off the side panel. You need to change the oil filter down below. You might want to put a little tray under it or something on that. So after that, you go to our YouTube channel. It shows you how to reset the controller, and you can push this now up to 2,000 hours. This should be then done every 2,000 hours or 12 months, whichever comes first. On the 2,000 hour service, you will again do the oil, air filter, oil filter, but also oil separator. Okay, now this is quite easy as well. So obviously with the machine isolated and all the air taken out, all you need to do is loosen off all the nuts. Here, it's the main delivery nut. You've got a small transducer, you can see that, which is just thumb tight, and pull that out. Remove any small pipes. Take out the retaining bolts here, and the separator, this part here, will simply come out. You put a new one in after you've cleaned off the old gaskets. You then just reverse everything, put it all together, make sure it's tight, and this transducer again, as I said before, is only thumb tight. You don't use any spanners on it whatsoever. Okay, then you reset the service again. Now it will come up and tell you when it needs servicing, but like I said, it's month dependent as well. Come the 6,000 hour service, you would change the intake valve. We just supply a complete intake valve. It's just as cheap as a kit. 4 bolts, take off, put back on. It's as simple as that. Now the units come in 7.5, 11 and 15 kilowatt. This is a 15 kilowatt version. Floor mounted or tank mounted. And we go all the way up to 90 kilowatt on the floor mounted. And the servicing would be exactly the same. The real simple. You've got a foam filter, which you should be blowing out on a regular daily basis if it's dusty. And also, if you need to, you've got an access panel just up there, which you take off to get to the main radiator. After that, there's really not a lot to it. Hope this has been of help. Thank you.